Meet the new Riverside editor. Now you get powerful transcriptions generated by AI in over 100 languages every time you record and edit with Riverside. And when you're ready to edit your high-quality video and audio content, you can browse the recording via transcription, and you can edit your video and audio content just by deleting text in the transcript. And all this makes it incredibly easy, accurate, and fast to edit your content. Let me show you how the new editor works in Riverside. I've navigated to one of my studios in Riverside, and I'm going to click View Recordings. Here I'll navigate to a previous episode that we recorded, and now you'll even see a preview of the transcript here on the recordings page. To edit a full episode or even a clip for social media, I'm going to click Edit and Create Clips. Here you can choose the format of the video, vertical for Reels and TikTok, but I'm going to go full length because I'm going to upload this to YouTube. And now you'll see the brand new Riverside editor. I can title the clip in the top left corner, and I still have all the powerful controls for changing the layout of my video. I can choose to go 9:16 for Reels and TikTok, or back to 16:9 for YouTube. I can choose which tracks I'd like to display, whether one co-host or both side by side, plus any screen shares or media board items. In the layout option, I can still choose no gaps or adding gaps between the video. You can choose one of our AI speaker layouts, which will have the active speaker large and others in picture-in-picture, and you can upload custom images for the background. You can even upload your own branding and graphics to add onto the clips. You can drag it wherever you'd like and resize it. But the real magic happens when you edit via the transcription here on the left side. Again, our AI transcriptions are available in over 100 languages, and they're generated by AI, so they're incredibly accurate and separated by speaker. I can scroll through the transcript here on the left, and when I click a certain portion of the text, you'll see the playhead at the bottom actually jump to that point in the timeline. When I scroll to a specific portion of the recording, if I'd like to remove a section, like this sentence right here, I can just select the text, hit the delete key on the keyboard, or click the delete option here, and now that portion is removed from the clip I'm going to export. You'll also see at the bottom that the timeline reflects the portion that I just deleted via text. If I made a mistake, I can just click revert and it comes back. I'll select it and hit the delete key again so that part is removed from the recording. You can also find specific words or phrases in the transcript by clicking the search box in the top right. You can search for a word or phrase. I'll search for bookshelf, and it will show me the 4 times that that word was spoken during the recording. I can use the up and down arrows to scroll to every instance of that word in the transcript, and you can see at the bottom the timeline actually reflects where those words were spoken and who said it. You'll see the speaker name here and the segment of text. I can click there and you'll see the word is also highlighted in the transcript. You can also split the timeline here at the bottom by putting the playhead where you'd like and click split, and then you have another section of the recording you can change the in and out points. When you export this clip, any of the sections that are grayed out will not be included in the final export. If you'd like, you can also select a segment of the recording and hit delete, and that will disappear. You'll also see the removed portions are reflected in the transcript by a strikeout through all the text. I'll X out of the search here at the top, and maybe I'm looking just for a minute-long clip. Well, I can drag the in and out points here in the timeline, and you'll see the words in the transcript live reflect what will be included with this in and out point. I can drag the in point exactly where I would like so it includes what I'm saying, drag the out point as well, and now when I export this clip, I can know this is exactly what I'm saying in the clip. I can even reformat this as a vertical clip for Reels and TikTok, and now I can export just this short video and share it on all of my social media accounts. I can preview the clip to make sure it's exactly what I would like, and then I'm ready to export. And if you'd like to start over with all of your edits and cuts, click the Start Over button in the bottom right-hand corner. You can reset the timeline, and now I have the full transcript and the full video and audio files to edit. When I'm ready to export this video, I can click Export in the top right, export up to 4K video, normalize audio levels, which will try to make all the speakers have the same volume, remove any background noise if necessary, and remove the Riverside watermark. When I click Export, I'll get an email in just a few minutes when this video is ready to download. To go back to my recordings, I'll click the top left arrow, and I still have access to all of my high-quality video and audio files, separate tracks for every guest, screen share, and media board items. I can download the raw video, raw audio, and you'll see at the bottom of the recordings page, all of the clips that I've edited are still saved. I can go back and re-edit a clip or create a new clip by clicking the Edit and Create Clips button in the top right. You can also download the transcript file via text version or SRT, which is great for captions and YouTube videos. You can download the transcript file by clicking right here on Download Transcript. Subtitles is the SRT format. Transcription is TXT. I can also just copy the transcript to my clipboard right here in the editor, go to a blank document, hit paste, and you'll see the entire transcript is available with speaker labels and timestamps ready to edit. And that's the brand new Riverside editor with text-based editing, full transcription support in over 100 languages, all generated by AI, so it's incredibly accurate. It makes it fast, accessible, and intuitive to edit your content. You can learn even more about Riverside and develop strategies for growing your podcast, hosting a webinar, and a ton more by subscribing to the Riverside YouTube channel. On the channel, we show you how you can build a video podcast setup, how to host a webinar, and a ton more. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you in the next video.